Hi, today I'm for review Motorola Razr 40 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So first we should launch Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings, tap to voice section and click to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, click on the switcher, tap to more, I agree, once again to I agree, click to next, to more, I agree, read all of this description, don't forget about that. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want an assistant to recognize your voice, like in my case, you should just click here to voice model and wait your voice model after the repeating after the assistant. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.